After a stroke, the loss of control can feel absolute. The world you knew has changed, and you feel like a passenger in your own body. But the antidote to helplessness is empowerment. It's the active process of reclaiming control and becoming the leader of your own recovery. First, give yourself permission to grieve the life you had. Acknowledging this loss is the first, necessary step toward building a new future. You are not just a stroke patient. You are a person who has had a stroke. Your identity is more than your diagnosis. Focus your energy entirely on what you can control today. Your effort in therapy, your attitude, and the small choices you make. Set goals that are personal and meaningful. Not just do exercises, but hold my grandchild's hand again. This provides true motivation. Recovery is built on small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate every single one. Each button, each word, is a milestone worth honoring. Understand that recovery has plateaus and peaks. This is not failure. It is the natural rhythm of your brain healing. Embrace the marathon. Your physical therapist is your movement expert. Collaborate with them to set functional goals that matter to you, beyond the clinic. Your occupational therapist is your expert in daily living. They empower you with strategies and tools to regain your independence at home. Your speech-language pathologist helps you reconnect with the world, working on everything from speaking and understanding to cognitive skills. Incorporate assistive devices and technology. From mobility aids to rehab apps, these tools can bridge gaps and accelerate progress. For care partners, your role isn't to do for them, but to empower them. Encourage independence, even when it's slow and difficult. Turn daily life into your own therapy session. Every activity, from making the bed to gardening, is a chance to practice and rebuild function. You are not alone. Connect with other survivors in support groups. No one understands the journey better than someone walking a similar path. Educate your family and friends. Help them understand your challenges so they can offer the right kind of support, not just sympathy. Recovery is emotional, not just physical. Address challenges like depression or anxiety with professional support to regain a sense of hope. Learn to clearly and calmly express your needs. This empowers you and helps others understand how to best support your independence. Find ways to re-engage with hobbies, even if they look different now. This reconnects you with your sense of self and joy. The ultimate step in empowerment, helping others. Sharing your experience and wisdom can give your journey a profound new purpose. Become a proactive partner in your medical care. You are the expert on your body. Ask questions until you understand. Track your own progress. Seeing how far you've come in black and white is a powerful motivator on difficult days. Fuel your recovery with a brain-healthy diet. Good nutrition supports neuroplasticity and protects your long-term health. Incorporate safe physical activity as approved by your team. Movement boosts mood, improves circulation, and aids brain recovery. Prioritize sleep. It is not passive time. During sleep, your brain works hard to heal, consolidate learning, and recover. Actively manage your personal risk factors like blood pressure or diabetes. This is a powerful way to prevent a future stroke. Learn to advocate for yourself at work, in the community, and even with your medical team. Your voice matters. Your path may change. Embrace new interests and possibilities. Recovery isn't just about getting back what was lost, but finding what is new. Embrace your new identity. You are a survivor. You carry an inner strength and a perspective on life that you didn't have before. Practice gratitude. Shifting focus to what you have, rather than what you've lost, is a powerful tool for mental well-being. Find purpose in your journey. Your experience gives you a unique ability to offer hope and understanding to others. Be patient and endlessly compassionate with yourself. Some days will be hard. That is okay. This is part of the process. This is the true meaning of empowerment. The transition from being a passive patient to the active protagonist of your own life story. Through this journey, you discover a new kind of strength, courage, patience, and an incredible will to thrive against all odds. Empowerment turns hope from a passive feeling into an active strategy. There is always more you can do to reclaim your life. Thank you for taking the time to learn this essential knowledge with us. Here at Beat the Stroke, we empower you. If this video helped, please like it, share it with everyone you know, and subscribe for more life-saving content. Thank you.